Good morning. It's a cold and early morning here in Pennsylvania. Today I'm gonna go up to Selins Grove area. I'm gonna do Roller Mills. I'm gonna do the consignment barn. I'm gonna do Silver Moon. I am gonna do it all. So I'm gonna hop in the car and head up north here. I have made it to Lewisburg. 2 hours and 15 minutes later. My first stop is Roller Mills. Now I'm gonna be very careful about what I pick up and how much I spend. So the goal is to be careful and selective, and let's go in. I haven't been here in so long that I'm a little nervous that I'm gonna pick up more stuff than I should. Love the head vases, really well priced. I love coin dot, that is so pretty. The little Napco spaghetti bone china Santa Claus, $10. That's about, that's a little close. I think I usually sell those for like 17. Oh my gosh, look at all this Christmas. Christmas everywhere. Put that basket down. Love all the decorations. These are really fun too. All right, these are kind of common. $7, that's a good price. I go through those like hotcakes around Christmas time, which I guess it's about Christmas time. This is only $10. What? How sweet is that? I think I'm gonna do 2 laps for this whole place at this rate. 13. This is kind of fun too. And these are in their original packaging. Love the Christmas house. Oh, and the sweet little deer candles. Those are so cute. Oh, man, I really wish I was more confident in my ability to buy and sell candles. I would totally grab those. And then I'm noticing these guys hiding back here. These are really fun. Japan. They $10 each though. Look at this fun little Santa. 15, that's about retail on that. What a phenomenal piece. This Tramp Art tobacco ad. That is really quite spectacular. It's $300, and to be honest, I feel like it's worth every single penny. So this is probably one of my favorite things ever to find. These risque. The one is $68 and it's in like near perfect condition. That is a really fair price, and I love the Blanco glass next to it. Oh, and the Fostoria. Oh my gosh, I just love all the colors. Such fun juice glasses. And then the McCoy Smiley cookie jar, that's fun too. Whoa, look at this. It's fiberglass, $68. That's super cheap. Those go for a lot. Oh, and it's the Fire King Good Morning mug. $6, that's a fair price. I've sold a lot of these this year though. If it was the kind of orange luster ombre like that one, oh, excuse me, I'd get it, but I'm not gonna mess with the all white. There's too many unique things waiting around the corner here. All right, let's see. I love the Lion Sugar and Creamer. Those are really neat. This is kind of fun too, gosh. Nothing that's screaming for me. There's one of those puppets. I think those are so fun. I bought a couple of those like last year, and they did not sell for much though. Bottle opener. Oh, I just got a text. Sorry, I got distracted. Let's see. Lots of more mid-century. Of course, the singing nuns. That's fun. All right, got a lot of Christmas stuff happening here so far. All looks like retail. This Santa is about what I'd get for it after fees. Love all the ornaments. Oh my gosh, look at that frosty one. $18. Oh, I love him. Man, if my mom was still around, I would totally get that for her. She loved snowmen like that. And the red hair Christmas pixies, is it 14 for the pair? It's 14 each and it says as is. I'm not sure what to make of that. The flamingos, those are newer, 1980s. What is this strange paper mache thing? Oh, and I'm just now noticing this jadeite color. Oh, wow, that's cool, and it glows. 98 bucks, man, that's fantastic. And then the left-in music box with the little Santa puppy, that's cute. Oh, gosh, I just adore these. I am obsessed with this chocolate Cupid bank. That is so fun. That is quite the fabulous shade. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever seen one like that before. It's Italian. This is a very cool piece too. This clown plate, it looks German almost. Might be Japan, but either way, $19 is definitely too close for me to do anything with it. Oh my gosh. How freaking spectacular are these guys? $150 for this set. Look at the pineapple girl. Oh, I wish they were separate. I would buy this for myself, to be honest. A lot of fabulous glass in here. It's not really my thing, but I can definitely appreciate it. Some really nice pieces in here. Well, this is where things get really interesting. First, of course, I noticed the pie set, Norcrest, 65 and 90. Oh, so fabulous. Farfel the dog. These glasses are funny too. Oh my gosh, how fun. Love the Libby glasses. And the other thing I noticed back here is this Norwegian elf doll. I just had one of those though. Lamb chop, that's a fun one. Lots of little rattles. I like the little rubber face monkey. That one's made in Japan. Oh, such cool stuff. I love this dog. I cannot help but notice the clown cookie jar. I normally shy away from picking up things that big, but it says $22.50 and 50% off. So I think I'm gonna ask this nice gentleman to open the case. All right, so for 11 bucks, I did grab the clown cookie jar. I've started a pile. I've been kind of stingy with them, putting my stuff up because I don't want to fill my basket too many times. Gosh, look at all this glass. Oh, I love the stars. How cool. I've never seen that print. Okay, a lot going on here too. The Christ Santas, 24. Is that each? I think it's for the pair, the candle holders. That's really spectacular. A little room, but not as much as I'd like. And then the Noel candle holders, I've had those a few times. Those are priced at $65, which is actually a little pricey. That's more than I sold mine for. And I love the Santa head salt and pepper shakers, $15. That's a super fair price. Now, of course, I'm sure all the kitschy Christmas people are looking at this Noel candy cane. $85 is a really fair price for retail. I think mine sold, I think they sell like around, it's been a while since I looked it up. It was like $120 or something. So after fees and everything, that's a pretty great price. Little head vases. Oh, this is a fabulous. Wow, I love the dancer on that. All right, and then we got more Christmas. Look at this elf, that's so cute. I like these deer. It's really different looking. Oh, look at the Santa boxes, how sweet. Christmas carols, that's always a fun set. 19's about what I sell those for too. This has my attention, this Santa Claus handkerchief. I've had the hanky, but I've never seen it in its original packaging like that. But it's 16 bucks. What a fabulous Christmas bulb, oh my gosh. Look at how sweet that one is. Oh, there's so many ways to turn here. I'm not sure which way to go next. I think I'm gonna go downstairs. I usually get into a great deal of trouble down there. That's new. It's missing its mate. Trying to keep it as tight as possible here.